Have you ever found yourself avoiding dark-colored shirts because you're worried about those pesky white flakes ruining your look? Or maybe you've tried every anti-dandruff shampoo on the shelf, only to find that the problem keeps coming back? Well, what if we told you that the solution to your dandruff woes might already be sitting in your kitchen or bathroom cabinet? That's right. Today we're diving into the best home remedies for dandruff that are not only effective, but also natural, affordable, and easy to try at home. But before we get into the details, if you're someone who's tired of dealing with dandruff and wants to learn how to tackle it naturally, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on our tips, tricks, and remedies for all your everyday problems. Trust us, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Before we jump into the remedies, let's quickly talk about what dandruff actually is. Dandruff is a common scalp condition where dead skin cells flake off at an unusually fast rate. But why does this happen? Well, there are a few key culprits. Number 1. Dry skin. This is one of the most common causes, especially in colder months. When your scalp gets too dry, it starts to flake. 2. Oily scalp, also known as seborrheic dermatitis. On the flip side, an overly oily scalp can lead to a buildup of dead skin cells which clump together and form those annoying flakes. 3. Fungal overgrowth. A yeast-like fungus called malassezia loves to hang out on our scalps. For some people, this fungus can irritate the scalp and speed up skin cell turnover. Number 4. Sensitivity to hair products. Sometimes the shampoos, conditioners, or styling products you're using can irritate your scalp and trigger dandruff. Now that we know what we're up against, let's get into the real deal. The home remedies that can help you tackle dandruff head-on. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. These remedies are backed by science, tradition, and countless success stories. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy products to see results. First up, we have apple cider vinegar. ACV is a powerhouse when it comes to balancing your scalp's pH and fighting off that pesky fungus we talked about earlier. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Mix equal parts ACV and water in a spray bottle. 2. After shampooing, spray the mixture onto your scalp and massage it in. Finally, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The acidity of the vinegar helps to loosen dead skin cells and reduce flakiness. Plus, it's a natural antifungal. Just be careful not to use it too often. Once or twice a week is plenty. Next, we have a dynamic duo coconut oil and lemon juice. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing, while lemon juice has natural antifungal and exfoliating properties. Here's how to use this combo. Step 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Step 2. Warm the mixture slightly and massage it into your scalp. Step 3. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash it out with a mild shampoo. This remedy not only helps with dandruff but also leaves your hair feeling soft and nourished. Next remedy on our list is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a miracle plant when it comes to soothing irritation and reducing inflammation. If your dandruff is accompanied by an itchy scalp, this one's for you. Step 1. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf, or use store-bought pure aloe vera gel. 2. Apply the gel directly to your scalp and massage it in. Step 3. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Aloe vera not only calms your scalp, but also helps to moisturize and balance oil production. Next up is baking soda. Baking soda is a gentle exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and reduce fungal growth. Here's how to use it. First, wet your hair and sprinkle a handful of baking soda onto your scalp. Next, gently massage it in for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This remedy is great for a quick cleanse, but don't overdo it. Once a week is enough to avoid drying out your scalp. Last but not the least home remedy on our list is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent that's been shown to be highly effective against dandruff. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Mix 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Step 2. Massage the mixture into your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes. Step 3. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo as usual. Tea tree oil can be strong, so always dilute it and do a patch test first to make sure your skin doesn't react. Now that we've covered the remedies, let's talk about some lifestyle changes that can help keep dandruff at bay. 1. Wash your hair regularly. Keeping your scalp clean is key to preventing oil and dead skin buildup. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin and scalp hydrated. 3. Eat a balanced diet. Foods rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and B vitamins can promote a healthy scalp. 4. Manage stress. Stress can trigger or worsen dandruff, so find ways to relax and unwind. Remember, consistency is key. These remedies and tips won't work overnight, but with regular use you'll start to see a noticeable difference. While home remedies can work wonders, there are times when it's best to consult a doctor. If your dandruff is severe, accompanied by redness, swelling, or bleeding, or if it doesn't improve after trying these remedies, it's time to seek professional help. You could be dealing with a more serious condition like psoriasis or eczema. And there you have it, the best home remedies for dandruff that are natural, effective, and easy to try at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be struggling with dandruff. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tips and tricks for living your best life. Thanks for watching, and remember, a flake-free scalp is just a few home remedies away. See you in the next video.